Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can suggest friends on Facebook, or you can access the feature. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we first of all gonna go ahead and open up our Facebook, and when we do, then we're gonna scroll a little bit and we might find a section where it will be showing us a set of profiles that we can go ahead and follow, and those will be the suggested profiles. Right now, what can cause that is if you have access to your contacts and uploaded them, then that can be it. So for example, when I go to the friends section, I will find suggestions right over here. So these are suggestions, how you can say turn on contact uploading to find friends. If I tap on turn on, my contacts who I have been in, who are in there, will all Facebook IDs will be suggested to me if they have created their account with the number itself. So tap on turn on and you will be able to find all of the friends over here, and you will also get suggestions. And if your account that you follow on Instagram, then you will also get suggestions over here on those Instagram accounts as well as the people you're friends with. Those are the suggestions that will appear right over here. And people you may know is the that will simply bring out the people you might know, including the friends of your friends, Instagram accounts, and the contact accounts. So that's how you access suggest friends on Facebook. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.